Ever wondered if there's an AI model out there that can rival the big names like OpenAI's GPT-4 or Google's Gemini, but without the billion-dollar price tag? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into DeepSeek R1, the Chinese AI model that's shaking up the tech world. It's powerful, it's open source, and it's free to use. But is it really as good as they say? Stick around, because this might just be the most exciting AI breakthrough you'll see this year. If you've been following the AI space, you've probably heard the buzz about DeepSeek R1. It's the new kid on the block, and it's already making waves. Developed by a relatively unknown Chinese startup, DeepSeek, this AI model is being called a game changer. Why? Because it delivers performance comparable to giants like GPT-4, but at a fraction of the cost. In fact, DeepSeek spent just $5.6 million to develop R1. Compare that to the hundreds of millions, or even billions, that companies like OpenAI and Google are spending. And here's the kicker. DeepSeek did this despite facing strict US export controls on high-powered AI chips. So how did they pull it off? And what makes R1 so special? Let's break it all down. First things first, what exactly is DeepSeek R1? It's an open-source AI model developed by DeepSeek, a startup founded by Liang Wenfeng, a Chinese hedge fund manager with a passion for AI. Liang's hedge fund, Highflyer, has been investing in AI research for years, and DeepSeek is the result of that dedication. What sets R1 apart is its efficiency. Unlike other AI models that rely on massive datasets and expensive hardware, DeepSeek R1 uses a self-reinforced learning method. Think of it like this. Instead of being spoon-fed information, R1 learns through trial and error, constantly improving itself without needing human supervision. This approach not only saves costs, but also makes the model incredibly adaptable. Now, let's talk about why everyone's freaking out over R1. For starters, it's open source. That means anyone, yes, anyone, can access, test, and even improve the model. This is huge because it democratizes AI development. Instead of a few big companies controlling the AI space, we now have a global community contributing to its growth. But the real jaw-dropper is its performance. On benchmarks like the AIME mathematics test, R1 scored 71% accuracy, outperforming GPT-4's 63.6%. And on the Math 500 benchmark, it beat both GPT-4 and Meta's LLaMA models. Sure, it's not perfect. It struggles a bit with coding tasks, but for a model that costs just $5.6 million to develop, these results are mind-blowing. Oh, and did I mention it's free to use? That's right. While OpenAI charges $20 a month for GPT-4, DeepSeek R1 is completely free. No wonder it shot to the top of the App Store charts, surpassing ChatGPT in just a few days. So, how does R1 achieve all this? The secret lies in its architecture. DeepSeek R1 uses something called chain-of-thought prompting, which encourages the model to break down problems into smaller, logical steps. This makes its reasoning process transparent and easy to follow. For example, if you ask R1 to solve a math problem, it doesn't just spit out the answer. Instead, it walks you through each step, explaining its thought process along the way. This is a big deal because it makes the model not only accurate, but also incredibly user-friendly. Now, let's geek out for a second. DeepSeek R1 was built using a mix of innovative techniques, including multi-head latent attention, MLA, and mixture of experts. These methods allow the model to use fewer computing resources while still delivering top-notch performance. In fact, DeepSeek's latest model is so efficient that it required just 1/10 the computing power of Meta's Llama 3.1 to train. That's a massive achievement, especially considering the US export controls on advanced AI chips. The success of DeepSeek R1 has sent shockwaves through the tech industry. For one, it's challenging the notion that AI development requires billions of dollars and access to cutting-edge hardware. DeepSeek has proven that with smart engineering and efficient resource use, you can achieve similar results at a fraction of the cost. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. DeepSeek's rise has also rattled Wall Street. Stocks like Nvidia and Oracle have taken a hit as investors rethink the sustainability of AI chip spending. After all, if you can achieve so much with so little, do we really need those expensive chips? So, what's next for DeepSeek? According to founder Liang Wenfeng, the company is all about long-term technological advancement, not quick commercialization. Their goal is to solve the hardest questions in the world, and they're doing it by empowering young researchers to pursue bold, unorthodox ideas. This approach has already paid off. DeepSeek's latest image generation model, Janus Pro 7B, has outperformed OpenAI's DALL-E3 and Stability AI's Stable Diffusion in key benchmarks. It's another testament to DeepSeek's innovative spirit. All right, let's wrap this up. DeepSeek R1 is more than just another AI model. It's a glimpse into the future of AI. It's proof that you don't need billions of dollars or the latest hardware to create something groundbreaking. With smart engineering, a collaborative approach, and a focus on efficiency, DeepSeek has achieved what many thought was impossible. So, should you give one RAND a try? Absolutely. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just someone curious about AI, DeepSeek R1 is worth exploring. And hey, it's free, so you've got nothing to lose. If you made it to the end of this video, drop a comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech and AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.